Hello, hardworking social studies teachers. This little TikTok video is going to show you how to begin programming in Scratch. Now, this assumes that you have already set up your Scratch account, that you have a teacher account, you've added your students to your classrooms, and you're ready to start teaching your kids how to program in Scratch. If you have not done those other steps and you want to check out our earlier TikToks, then that would probably be a good idea. But if you already have your Scratch account set up and you just want to know how to start programming, this is the place to start. So the first thing we're going to do is I've logged into my Scratch account and I'm going to click on Create. And my window loads and I'm ready to go. The first thing you'll notice is you have three tabs here: Code, Costumes, and Sounds. This first video, since TikTok's only 3 minutes, we're just going to look at getting some characters out here. They call them sprites in Scratch, and getting a background and having them start to talk to each other. So the first thing I want to do is I don't want to use the cat. The cat comes in automatically. I don't want to use the cat. This, by the way, is our stage. This is where we get to preview what's going on. Here's where we work with pulling things onto the stage and setting up characters or sprites, and the stage, the backdrops and whatnot. And this is our coding window. We're going to get to this part in a little bit. Right now we just want to get our scene set up and we want to get our characters or sprites out here, and I'm going to do something on the 3 branches of the government, so I don't want to use the cat, so I want to get rid of him. Here he is right down here. I click on the X on the trash can to get rid of him, and now he's gone. I do want to go ahead and put a background in, so I'm going to look at my stage. It's got backdrops here, and I'm going to click on this little picture icon. Now I have 4 options. I can search for a backdrop that Scratch already has preloaded. I can create my own by actually painting it. I can choose surprise, which I never really want to be surprised because I'm doing something very deliberate here. And I can upload a backdrop. Let's first take a look at the search function. So I click on the search icon, and these are all of the backdrops that are already there for you to use. You can search for them. So let's say I'm going to choose a soccer field. I just click on it and it comes in. So now I've got my backdrop. I'm ready to put some characters or sprites out here. So again, I've got this little icon down here to choose a sprite, and I have the same 4 options. So we're going to search for one. I'm going to choose Ben here. And maybe I want Ben to be able to kick a soccer ball, so I'm going to go back in and search for my sprites, and I'm going to choose ball. Oh, look, it landed right in his hand. And you notice I can move these things around on the stage. I can put them wherever I want them. I can also change their size. Let's say I want the ball to be a little bit smaller. This is 100%, so I'm going to choose 75%. Maybe I want him to face the other way. This is selected right now, but if I want to select Ben, I have to click him down here. Go to the Costumes tab, and I can flip him around. So that's it for setting up a backdrop, for setting up sprites. How to make them actually start doing stuff we'll get into in the next video. Thanks for watching.